We're going swimming time with Adam and his sandboard. Let's go. Bango? No. Oo nga no. Let's go swimming, Daddy. Let's go. Huggers, swimming time, mga ka-huggers. Parang picnic, hindi naman swimming time. Let's go. Heading to the beach.
Where are we going, Adam?
Where are we going?
To the
beach. Join us. Going to the beach. Going to the beach. Going to the beach.
Scratchy.
Scratchy. See you there. Hi, we're here at the Kite Beach. We're in. Ang daming tao, grabe. Pero ang lamig ng hangin. So we're here, tapos yun yung Burj Al Arab. Kita nyo? Sana nakikita nyo. So focus natin mamaya. Grabe, sobrang daming tao. Yan. So it's hard to find a parking. So binaba na kami dito. So let's go! Yun yung Burj Al Arab. Kita nyo? Ayan. So lapit kami dito. So let's go! Ang daming tao. Lokal man yan or mga foreigners. Grabe. At ayun na yung Burj Al Arab. Medyo malayo kami. Kita mo talaga. So kitang-kita mo. Ganda! So ito naman, mga tao naman ang video natin para habang nakatalikod sila. talunin natin itong mga to. So, andyan sila. Sila ate. Ay, nakala sila ate. Talunin natin sila. Let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Adam. Wow. Yes, malamig. Grabe. Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Napaihi tuloy ako. Ay, doon napapaihi. Look at that. Lamig! Lamig niya, sobra. Dito muna tayo, muna tayo. Enjoy muna natin yung wave. Grabe, ang lamig niya. Yay! Ang lamig, grabe. And just enjoying the sun. And the wave. Wow, grabe. Talagang ginanon ko, no? Sarap. Yay! Alas 4 na ng hapon, pero ang lamig pa din. Enjoy the moment kasi next year, ay nako, bagong eskwelahan, bagong pakikisama, talagang bagong taon. This one, let's enjoy. That's the Burj Khalifa. Kung nakikita nyo, from here sa beach up to here. Ito naman yung Burj Al Arab. Diba, magkaano sila. Ayan. Yun yung Burj Khalifa. We're in the middle of two biggest buildings in Dubai. We're now done. Ito na yung mga things. We're not done. We're happy that we came here at the Kite Beach. And we're now saying goodbye to the Burj Al Arab. Bye! And of course, the Burj Khalifa. There, I don't know. Somewhere there. Let's go. Bye! Bye, beach! You! We're now here at the Blue Water Islands. So let's go. Let's go. We are now here. It looks so Singapore. So, yan natin. We're now here. Nakita niyo yun? Yun ang Dubai ay, at sabi nila ate, napakamahal. Napakamahal daw yan. Ayan o, meron kami. Eh, hindi niya alam, napakamura naman sa amin ang MOA ay. So, ayan. Laki, grabe. There. Ayun sa kanan. Keep on finding kung saan kami kakain. Kasi dito lang yata sa center, mas maraming kainan. Let's go! Let's enjoy! Enjoy natin. Tapos merong good spot daw, sabi ni ate, na mapipicturean namin yung Dubai Eye. Let's go! So, yan. We're now walking. Ito yung nakita nyo sa video kanina. Ito yung dire-diretsong walking. Marami rin tao. So, ito, tignan natin. May tinuturo si ate. So, this one, let's go. Kung mag-walk ka, ang taray. Hindi ka mapapagod. Feeling mo, maikli lang yung nilalakaran mo pero mahaba siya in reality. So, ayan ayan. Tapos yung Dubai ay, tapos on the other side naman yun yung mga buildings. So, ayan lang. Pack na. Winner. So, pagkatapos namin pumunta dun, tapos namin tumawid doon hanggang sa baba. Bumalik ulit kami and then we're here dito sa may baba. Maano natin, kita natin closer yung Dubai Eye. Ito yung mga, dito rin sila, pag for example sasakay ka ng bangka, dito rin yung pwesto nila. Talaga. So let's go there. Kaya ba sila? Ganda. Nakaka-relax, in fairness, pag naglalakad ka. Sobra siyang nakaka-relax. Kahit madaming tao, hindi siya ganun crowded. Na sobra yung disiplina pa rin ng mga foreigners. So, let's go. Habang hinihintay namin yung drone show, dito kami sa The Coffee Club. Bili kami ng coffee kasi sa gitna daw yung ilalagay yung drone. So, ayan, bili mo na kami ng coffee.